Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to speak about 3D shapes. I only want to speak about cylinder and sphere. First of all, what is the 3D shapes? A 3D shapes in our life, we see several objects around us which have different shapes. For example, box, ball, ice cream cone, etc. One thing common in these objects is that they all have length and height or depth. Thus they have three dimensions. The D in 3D stands for the dimension. 3D shapes occupy space, in a word, with three dimensions. Now I want to speak about cylinder shape. So, a cylinder is a three-dimensional shape consisting of two parallel circular bases joined by a curved surface. The center of the circular base overlaps each other to form a right cylinder. The line segment joining the two centers is the axis that denotes the height of the cylinder. Now I want to speak about the properties of a cylinder. First, a cone has three faces. Two of them are flat while the third one is curved. Second, the flat surfaces are circular having same size. Third, the flat surface meets the curved surface at a circular edges. Now I want to speak about the volume of a cylinder. First of all, a volume of a cylinder equal area of the circular base times height. So, the area of a circular base equal pi radius 2, height equal h. Thus the volume of a cylinder of height h and base radius r is given as pi radius 2h. So, the volume of a cylinder equal pi radius 2h. Now I will give you an example that find the volume of the cylinder shown. First of all, we know that the volume of a cylinder equal pi radius 2h equal pi 7 meters squared. Why we put 7 meters? Because the radius is equal to 7 meters cubed squared, and the height equal to 10 meters equal to pi 49 meters squared and 10 meters. 49 times 10 equal to 490 pi meter cubed. Okay, this is the answer, and we have the next way that's equal to 490 times 3.14. 3.14 هي الباي meter cubed equal to 1538.6 meter cubed. So now I want to speak about sphere. First of all, what is a sphere? A sphere is a geometric grounded shape in a three-dimensional space. It is a three-dimensional solid that has a surface, area and volume, just like a circle. Each point of a sphere is equal distance from the center. Mathematically, a sphere is defined as the set of the point that is equal distance from a common point in three-dimensional space. This constant distance is called radius of a sphere, and the common point is the center of a sphere. An example for a sphere in real life is a ball. Now I want to speak about the sphere properties. Have no vertices, have no edges, have curved surface. Now I want to speak about the volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere equals the volume of a three-dimensional solid, that the amount of the space it occupies. Be sure that all the measurements are in the same unit before computing the volume. The volume V of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So, the volume of a sphere equal V equal 4/3 pi radius cubed. Now I give you an example for a sphere. Find the volume of the following. We know that the volume equal 4/3 pi radius 2. We know that the radius equal 3 inches. So, we copy 4/3 pi 3 inches cubed. And we know that, remember that 3 cubed equal 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27. So equal 4/3 pi 27 inches cubed. So 3 goes with 27. So 27 10 on 8 still only 9 and 3 still only 1 equal so 4 times 9 equal 36 pi inches cubed. And we have, this is the answer, and we can complete it. 36 pi equal 3.14 equal 36 times 3.14 inches cubed equal 113.0 inches 0.04 inches cubed. Let's move to the second project after the break. It's So I asked my friends to give me 3 properties of them.
The properties of a square: 4 right angles, opposite sides are parallel, diagonals perpendicular, and bisect each other. The properties of rectangle: 4 right angles, opposite sides are parallel, diagonals are equal.